Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be cooking authentic Ofada sauce. I will also be sharing with you useful tips on how to get the perfect Ofada taste. On this channel, recipe videos are uploaded every week, and as we continue with today's video, I would like to say please subscribe to my channel for weekly simplified cooking recipes. I'll start by showing you the green peppers we'll be using. Green peppers are very important for this recipe. I'll be using scotch bonnet pepper, red and green bell pepper, the seeds have been removed. I will also be using green and red tomatoes. I will start by blending the peppers first. The reason I'm blending the peppers first is because I want you to see what it looks like, but you can choose to blend everything together at once. The next tip for Ofada sauce is you have to make sure the peppers are not too smooth, just like this. Yes, now I'm going to add the onions, and of course I'm going to blend it all together. This is what the blended peppers look like, and this is what the blended tomatoes look like. The next thing I will do is to pour bleached palm oil in a pot and heat it up briefly. This is what palm oil looks like, and this is what bleached palm oil looks like. The difference is bleached palm oil is red palm oil that has been passed through heat to make it clear, just like you can see here. Now that the oil is hot enough, I will pour in the blended onions and pepper mix. I will also be pouring in the blended tomatoes. Now I will mix it properly and cook till the liquid reduces. This will help me use less seasoning cube and less salt. Let's check out the other ingredients. These are boiled eggs. I'll be using crayfish powder. I'll be using locust beans, also called iru. I'll also be using salt. And these are roasted mackerel fish. This is also roasted hake fish. It has been deboned. I'll also be using meat stock. I'll be using seasoning cubes. I'll be using cooked tripe and fried goat meat, also called agemawo here in Nigeria. Let's check the boiling pepper to be sure it has thickened properly and is good to go. So now that our pepper mix is thick enough, I'm going to be adding all other ingredients. So I have to say that adding the other ingredients should not be in any particular order. Just make sure you add all the ingredients, you stir properly, and you allow it to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's check our sauce. Do you like what you see? It tastes equally delicious, honestly. So Ofada sauce is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and